We are General Ntantla Mkhwanazi, and General Ntantla Mkhwanazi is us. We support General Ntantla Mkhwanazi. We are not ashamed of General Ntantla Mkhwanazi. We are calling upon more Mkhwanazis in the police to come out and fight crime and syndicate that has captured the police, that has captured our country. We will not sit back and allow our country to be controlled by drug syndicate. We say to Mkhwanazi, do not be shaken, because if they fire you, there is a position for you in the EFF so that we can continue to fight corruption in South Africa. General Mkhwanazi should know that there is only one hope for the fearless, and that hope is the EFF.